Here are 3 hidden features on the iPhone that I love the best. Hey guys, my name's Ed Choi. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office, and today we're talking about my iPhone. Whoops, my iPhone over here. Specifically, hidden features on the iPhone. So I'm gonna go over my 3 favorite hidden features on the iPhone. I hope you guys enjoy them. So here we go. All right, the first hidden feature is using your keyboard as a trackpad. So sometimes when I write a text or an email, I have to go back and either correct a word or delete a word and make an edit. So the typical way is just tapping to where you need to fix a mistake. But oftentimes, because your finger is not very precise, you don't really get exactly to where you need to be. So what you want to do is press and hold onto any key on your keyboard of your phone. And now that keyboard becomes a trackpad, and look how much easier it is to move that cursor around within a text or an email. So in this case, I know my mistake is right over here. I just click on it, boom, the mistake is corrected, and voila, it's very, very easy to use. So again, it's just a matter of pressing and holding anywhere on your keypad, and now your actual keypad becomes a trackpad. So a very, very cool way of saving time to get to exactly where you need, especially if you're dealing with lengthy documents on our iPhone or an iPad. This is a great tool. And sometimes trying to do one-handed typing. Now, one-handed typing is pretty hard, especially reaching over to the Q's, the W's, the A's, and the Z's. It's kind of a bit of a stretch, and especially more so if you have like an iPhone 8 Plus or some of the larger size iPhones. So rather than stretching over to the right-hand side, like if you're a one-handed typer, what you can do is press on this globe button over here, and you can see now it gives you some different orientations of your keyboard. So in this case, because I'm right-handed, I'm going to choose the right-handed orientation for the keyboard, and now everything gets kind of shifted over to the right-hand side, which makes it super easy to use for one-handed applications. Really, it's a time saver, especially if you're really into one-handed typing. Now, if you want to go to the other side, you just press on the globe button again, and you want to press on the left keyboard and it orients everything to the left-hand side. And if you want everything to go back, all you have to do is press this arrow button, and it recenters everything. So cool way. It's actually really ergonomic. Instead of stretching your finger out, you're bringing all the keys to your proper typing hand. Now the last hidden feature is once you press scan document, so if you use your iPhone as a regular scanner, it's a free app. You can see there's 4 different options. So let's give it a shot. If you press scan document, so here's a document that allows you to just press scan document. I'm going to orient it so everything is perfect. Press the picture button. Now if the corners are not aligned, you could just simply click and drag the corners to where you want it. So we'll just adjust it. I'll go keep scan, or you can retake the image if you need to retake it. Now, once you've scanned your first document, it's going to look for a second document if you need to scan it. If not, just press save. And now your documents are saved to your notes. So from here, if you press the top right button, you can share that with somebody. You can message it, email it. So in this case, I will maybe just send me a text myself. And when I receive it, this is what it looks like. Perfect. Now there you go, guys, my 3 favorite hidden features on the iPhone. If you have a hidden feature that I didn't talk about, leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what your favorite hidden feature is on the iPhone. And if you like this video, remember to give me a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next time.